Guys, I think I just found a way to make free energy. From my previous video, some of you suggested me to look into making free energy using magnets, and I did found some. For this project, I will be using small computer fan and a lot of magnets. The idea behind is that we will be attaching North Pole magnet on each of the fan, wing, and surround with North Pole magnets. By doing so, the surrounding magnet will repel the fan-attached magnets and make it spins. I also have wire attached to the motor to see whether it will generate electricity. Now, I will just give it a little push for it to start. As you can see, it's spinning fast and strong. Just need to see whether this can light up a small LED. Finally, free energy at last. Now, I know what some of you will be doubtful whether I have wire attached somewhere, but I do not have any wire attached. Thank you for watching this long. Leave a comment below on what are your thoughts about this.